Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see how to make CapCut videos without watermark. So you have to head over to the CapCut for that at first, obviously. So once in there, skip this one and go to this edit option on the bottom left. And in here, select any video or any project you have been working on, or you can start a new project, or then tap on, once you are done with the editing, then just tap on the export option on the top right. And before doing it, just turn off the watermark option in here. So as my account is not a premium account, I can't do that. So if you have a premium account, you can do that. So yeah, this is how easily you can make CapCut videos without watermark. Hope this video will help you out. If this video helped you out, and we will see you in the next one.